Hello and welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. This is Chris. Today, because it's so warm and beautiful outside today, it's going to be high 50s. We're going to go ahead and do some mending of the plastic. And we knew this was going to happen. I mean, we're trying a different design this year, so we've got major holes everywhere. I really didn't want to go behind the trees and grab all the straw out and hold everything down with the straw so it wouldn't rip. And yeah, it just turned out to be not a very good thing. And you can see we're having issues with this getting pushed down. This will be easy to get out. All I have to do is just start pulling it up and it'll go through that hole that's right there. But I don't know. I keep seeing the forecast and it keeps saying it's going to be super mild this winter. We're only going to have supposedly 2 major cold snaps. And I'm wondering if I should just take this off and leave it off and just let it go through the winter and see what happens. I'm not digging this double thing, and I think this is where my problem is coming in because I didn't put up those arches like I did last year. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just cover this pond and cut it here and push it down, and then cover this side separately and clamp it down. Not make it to where it's one big thing underneath. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? I'll show you. Because this already, I can tell, slid. You can see part of... Boys, get over here. Sorry. You can see part of this panel actually is on an angle, so that tells me that it slid down into the bog. So I'm going to have to unsnap all that, remove it, and put the panel back up, because I do want to keep this covered. But I really think that I'm going to do it 2 pieces, not do 1 piece. And I don't care if air gets in there. It doesn't, I just want, for the most part, most of the pond covered. I want to leave some air in there. But here, I'll get back to you when I get some of it taken off. I see the fishies. I'm out here we've got to fix some holes in here and hook it up different before it gets cold. It's going to be in the 60s today. So I'm trying to pull back a lot of this plastic so we can get this off. And I can see the fish that are right there. Everybody wants to come up to get some sun. So at least I can see, and the water's clear. I don't know if you could tell, but it's super clear. Because these guys are way down at the bottom, and I could see them. So, we're close to the bottom. They're at least 3 feet down, and I could see them really good. Wow. Good to know everybody's doing good. Okay, we are done for the day. This is the way this turned out. I'm just going to go ahead and see if this will work. Take you around here. I gotta pick up some more of these clamps, but yeah, we're gonna clamp that down. But yeah, I think it'll be okay. We should be good with this. I don't care that it's flat because we don't really have a lot of snow in the forecast this winter, and even if we do, it's not a big deal. I have a huge broom that I can come out here and sweep it off if that happens, but I'm not really too terribly worried about it. But at least we got to see that the fish are okay today. And yeah, so I've got this all fixed up, and yeah, we should be good from here on out. I went ahead and made a little tunnel here so I can go in there and read the pond temp ratings. And right now, both ponds are sitting at 44 degrees. So here we are inside the tunnel. You can see the fishy right there. And I've got the one thermometer There you go. I don't know if you can see it. It's 44 degrees. So 6 feet down is 44. And 3 feet down is 44. That one over there is 44 as well. Trust me, I looked at it. I don't want to undo everything again. I should have videoed it when I was over there doing it. But yeah, so the fish are all doing okay, which is awesome. Happy to hear that. So there we go. Job done. I think it's going to be just fine. We're going to be putting some more boards and stuff on top and tying it down. We haven't done that yet, but we will. We have some rope that we're going to be tying this all down so it doesn't go flopping and whatever. But like I said, we only have a couple of storms that we have to worry about this year coming up in the winter, so we'll be fine. Well, thank you all for watching, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to all of our new subscribers, and thank you for everybody that's been sticking it out with us for all this time. We appreciate each and every one of you, don't we, boys? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yeah, so whoa, okay, they're tearing off. So yeah, so thank you guys. I appreciate you. And like I said, we'll be seeing more of each other in the coming year. We have plans. We have a new show planned. And just keep an eye on the community tab, and you'll know when and what time we're going to launch our new show. It should be fun. Looking forward to it. New show, new year. We had to shake things up and do things a little bit different. And like I said, you got to know each and every one of us on the show, so now it's going to be different. Now it's going to be all about you. So you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, thanks everybody for watching. As always, everybody stay sweet.